watching Renegade's Garage. Welcome everybody to another episode of Renegade's Garage. Today we're working on the Jeep, and we're gonna start working on. We're pulling out the old tie rod and replacing it with a new one. So I'm gonna put the camera on time lapse, start getting it up on jack stands and removing the wheels, and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, got the new tie rod in, so I just undid both end joints. On my old one was a 21 and 22. These new ones are both 22s. Got it kind of adjusted correctly, but right now, tell this one is towed out a little. This one is towed out as well. I just got the new tie rod kind of in the correct alignment before I put them in. So now I'm going to grab my alignment plates. And just like that, the new tie rod is in, alignment's kinda figured out, and it's back on all four wheels. So it's not exactly a good how-to video, but it was just a quick part. I think we're on 4 of getting the 1 tons done. This wasn't exactly directly tied to the 1 tons, but it was tied to getting the Jeep back on the road, because the tie rod was all kinds of screwed up, and I'll show you that here in a second. So yeah, it's kind of hard to tell down here, but it's my old tie rod. Oh yeah, you can see the bend in it. Ball joint, the joints on each end are nice and seized up, but I don't hardly ever want to turn. So that definitely was causing some of the hard tightness in my steering. So we got the nice new one all installed, looking good, and the alignment kind of figured out, like I said. So at least one more thing is checked off the list. If you guys are liking this series so far of getting my Jeep set up for 1 tons / just getting some of the maintenance stuff taken care of for it to be ready to wheel again soon, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification icon. You'll be notified when we have new content of whatever we're working on, mostly Jeep, come uploaded. But until then, guys, we'll see you in the next video.